Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to change the mouse pointer size in Windows 10. It's a simple process that can make a big difference in your user experience. So, let's get started. Step 1. First, click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, select Settings from the menu that appears. Step 2. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the option called Ease of Access and click on it. This will open a new window with various accessibility settings. Step 3. In the left menu of the Ease of Access window, find and click on the option labeled Mouse Pointer under the title Vision. This will take you to the mouse pointer settings. Step 4. Now, to change the size of your mouse pointer, locate the section titled Change Pointer Size. Here, you'll find a slider that allows you to adjust the size according to your preference. Simply, drag the slider to the left for a smaller mouse pointer or to the right for a larger one. As you move the slider, you'll see the changes in real time, making it easy to find the perfect size for you. And that's it! You've successfully changed the mouse pointer size in Windows 10. Customizing your mouse pointer size can greatly enhance your navigation and overall user experience. Whether you prefer a smaller or larger mouse pointer, Windows 10 gives you the flexibility to personalize it to your liking. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials.